Very good evening. I'm Akhilesh and this is Vishnu. We take care of the technical content of textbook.com. I'm from civil and he's from mechanical engineering. तो एग्ज़ाम हो गया है and students are asking about the cutoffs and other analysis. So regarding the cutoff, Vishnu sir will tell you about the mechanical branch. Then we'll see the civil. Sir.
सो मैकेनिकल ब्रांच में आते हुए चीज़ें दो हैं, मतलब काफ़ी लोगों की क्वेरीज हैं कि कुछ लोग मतलब अलग अलग वेबसाइट रेफर कर रहे हैं, तो वो देख रहे हैं कि किसमें समवन शोइंग कट ऑफ अराउंड 130 140 एंड सम साइट्स आर शोइंग 170 180. सो अगर आप पेपर को एनालाइज करते हो मींस टेक्निकल एज वेल एज नॉन टेक्निकल सेक्शन, सो उसमें मतलब पेपर बहुत इजी रहा है इस बार. अगर टेक्निकल सेक्शन की बात की जाए तो टेक्निकल सेक्शन बहुत इजी है, मींस अराउंड ए नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट इज एबल टू स्कोर अबव 70. एंड और नॉन टेक्निकल की बात की जाए तो उसके अंदर जनरल नॉलेज और ये सब स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मतलब टू द पॉइंट क्वेश्चंस आए हैं जिसके लिए स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन की नीड नहीं है इतनी. सो इन चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए और दूसरी जो मेन बात है वो ये है कि इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती. सो नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होने की वजह से जो कट ऑफ एक्सपेक्ट की गई है वो मतलब जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए हम 160 टू 170 के रेंज के अंदर कट ऑफ चाहिए होता है. कुछ लोगों को ये अनरियलिस्टिक लग सकता है, बट मतलब keeping in mind all the scenarios and number of posts are for, if you count for general categories there are only 99 posts, so also means in 1:3 they will shortlist. So according to that, general category cutoff definitely will be 160 plus. Similarly for OBC it will be around 150 and for SC/ST categories it will go around 130 140 like that.
तो मीन्स आपका ये कहना है कि जनरल कैटेगरी से लाइक 10 और 20 मार्क्स ओबीसी लेस कर दें हम एंड एससी एसटी के लिए 30-40 मार्क्स.
Yeah, definitely.
ओके. तो गाइस रिगार्डिंग द सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, तो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पेपर वाज रिलेटिवली नॉट दैट मच, इतना मुश्किल नहीं था. तो आई वुड से कि जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए लाइक 140 टू 150 मार्क्स वुड सफाइस एंड ओबीसी के लिए लाइक जैसे विष्णु सर ने बताया 10 to 20 marks less for OBC and 25 to 30 marks less for SC/ST. So if a guy is expecting around like 120 to 125 marks in scheduled caste and tribes category, so he can be called for interview. And moving on from the cutoffs to next part is the interview. So regarding interview, we have like two sections. We have divided our strategy in two sections. First one is the general questions related to like which will be applicable to all of the students irrespective of the branch, and there will be some technical part that will be irrespective of the branch only. तो सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि कैसे बच्चों को प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए regarding the profile based questions and the technical questions?
Okay, so if we come to technical questions, there may be two criteria. Firstly, they can ask you regarding that which subject are your favorite subjects or like that. So means generally mechanical engineering we divide in three categories. One is thermofluid, another one is production, and another one is solid part. So in the solid mechanics, it will cover theory of machines, strength of materials, machine design, and all. So they will generally ask you regarding the, you can quote around 2-3 subject favorite subjects, and they will ask questions in. But make sure that whatever subject you are quoting, that suppose you quote the around thermodynamics as a favorite subject, then be confident about that subject. Means there should not be any ambiguity and there should not be any case that you are not able to answer any basic questions from the thermodynamic. So prepare around 3 subjects at least in a very deep manner and conceptual wise and all.
ओके. तो सर आपका मतलब ये स्ट्रेस है कि जो हमारे बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स हैं तो उनमें से हम जो फंडामेंटल्स हैं वो मिस ना करें, तो उन पे ज्यादा ध्यान दें बजाय कि हम हैphazardly कुछ भी उनको बोला है. तो देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटजी बेस्ड ऑन द बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स एंड द फंडामेंटल्स.
या इन द टेक्निकल सेक्शन इन क्वेश्चंस डिफिकल्ट भी वो लोग पूछेंगे और इजी भी पूछेंगे, बट इजी की वो बेसिक कांसेप्ट पे पूछेंगे. तो ऐसा ना हो कि मतलब आप बेसिक कांसेप्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस पे लैग
इजी मिस ना करें.
इजी मिस क्वेश्चन है. डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन अगर आपको नहीं आता यू कैन डायरेक्टली से नो, इट डजंट मैटर. मेन थिंग इज अगर आपका कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन अगर उन्होंने कोई पूछा है और आप उस सब्जेक्ट को एज ए फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट भी कोट कर रहे हैं तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट देन गोइंग टू दैट. And apart from the technical subject which we usually study, means from a mechanical student, he should be means aware about the mining things, means the various machines, various production techniques used in the mining. A little bit of introduction will be beneficial for him because ultimately he is going to work in that field also.
Okay.
So regarding coal mining, various coal mining processes, and he should be aware about those things.
So will not be it useful that के students कुछ mining के बारे में पहले से थोड़ा पढ़ के जाएं, videos वगैरह देखें, कोल इंडिया के बारे में थोड़ा सा nature of work और ये सब कैसे 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 environment.
It definitely it will be means it's must for all of them. Regarding seeing the all other things mean regarding Coal India various profiles, various means sites or also they can ask you when where the Coal India operates. They can ask you regarding this various things and also everyone should be aware about those basic things.
Okay.
Which mean ultimately you are going there, you are going to work with the mining guys.
Okay.
So you should be not like that you are not knowing any ABCD of the mining also. Then it will be very difficult for.
तो ये पॉजिटिव पॉइंट रहेगा कि अगर हम थोड़ा सा माइनिंग की थोड़ी डिटेल्स लेके जाएं, इवन फ्यू बेसिक कांसेप्ट्स रिगार्डिंग माइनिंग एंड द अदर एरियाज. तो इट वाज अबाउट द टेक्निकल पार्ट फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल ब्रांच एंड इफ वी मूव ऑन टू द सिविल ब्रांच तो आई वुड से के बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स जैसे strength of materials, fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, and most importantly environmental engineering. I would like to focus on this subject because nowadays government is promoting clean and green energy, so you can expect a lot of questions from this area. And mining है तो environment perspective भी important हो जाता है उसके हिसाब से. So try to read about the various types of pollution and health hazards related to the mining and ऐसा ना कीजिए कि आप अपनी प्रोफाइल से रिलेटेड जैसे यू कैन आल्सो फ्रेम क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रोफाइल लाइक इफ यू आर लिविंग इन ओडिशा एंड योर स्कूलिंग हैज बीन इन दैट एरिया तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम लाइक योर एरियाज रिलेटेड टू योर स्कूलिंग एंड कॉलेज. So if you are living like near in Jharia belt, so you can expect questions from that. So try to frame questions, discuss among friends. Okay, what can be the questions which can be asked related to your own profile, and then boost up your strategy accordingly. So this is the way you should approach in that. And moving on to the like, if they ask you regarding the like favorite subjects or also, so देखिए civil engineering में ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे subjects are equally important. The most important thing is that there are some core subjects on which the whole civil engineering is related. For example, strength of material is the basic of civil engineering. And in paper 2 you can say fluid mechanics, all these mechanics subjects respectively, fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, environmental engineering. So in that way you can follow these things. And moving on to the general part, sir, जैसे ये तो टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिक एरियाज हो गए, तो इफ वी से दैट के अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मैकेनिकल एंड सिविल आप क्या मतलब डायरेक्शन देना चाहेंगे बच्चों को कि व्हाट शुड बी फॉलोड ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू which are the general, which are applicable to all of the students?
So first thing is that usual things regarding the, as you said, Les mentioned that regarding the location from where you are. So means don't just mean the things which are famous in your area. Suppose if you are from Agra or anything like that, if you are from Bharatpur or any area of this specific, so they can ask questions from there. That point also, that what is famous about Bharatpur also.
They can.
Second main thing is regarding your hobbies. So definitely it is the main question which is going to be asked in the exam. So means you should not be just throw any random hobby that you like play basketball and even you don't know the famous player of the basketball. That should not be the case there.
Okay, तो मतलब main concern ये है कि you have to be true to the board. ठीक है, और हमें कोई झूठ नहीं बोलना है. तो जो हमारी हॉबीज हैं अगर हम उनको फॉलोज कर रहे हैं तो ही हमें उनके रिगार्ड में प्रिपरेशन करके आगे उसको लेके जाना है.
Yes. And one thing is regarding this is specific to Coal India interview. The thing is those guys, the interview panel wants those guys only which are determined to work there, because sometimes that people think that Coal India work is not you can say pure white collar kind of work, because people who are posted in underground mines and there are some works which are not made harsh conditions थोड़ी हो सकती है. So वो लोग मतलब इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे उन लोगों को प्रेफर करेंगे ज्यादा जो उन कंडीशंस में काम कर सकें. मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं देन एक साल के बाद लोग भाग रहे हैं. So they doesn't want those type of people. So in the interview they will ask you the questions regarding various things. They will float you conditions that if this happens then what you will do, if you leave or not. So उनको ऐसे लोग चाहिए जो टिक के वहाँ पे काम कर सकें. Basically बनता ही है.
तो basically ये है कि you should also prepare कि why do you want to join Coal India Limited?
Yeah.
Because there are concerns about the working condition and all these things. Okay, sir. So after interview, let us check that are there any questions हमारे यूजर हैं ये मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश गुप्ता, ही इज आस्किंग फॉर कि देयर इज नो सेपरेट कट ऑफ इज देयर। तो सर कट ऑफ्स के बारे में ये पूछ रहे हैं कि कोई सेपरेट कट ऑफ
नहीं,
है
कट
सेक्शन
ऑफ
वाइज?
में सेक्शन वाइज कट ऑफ as mentioned in the advertisement also there is a cut off that in both the papers, mean paper 1 and paper 2 you have to score at least 40 marks.
ओके
Suppose if you are scoring 100 marks in 90 marks in paper 2 and your marks are 35 in paper 1, then you are not eligible if you are in general category.
ओके, तो सेक्शनल
So
कट ऑफ
sectional
है।
cut off is 40 only, that is minimum cut off,
ओके
and total cut off will be out of from both the marks.
ओके,
So
तो मार्क्स दोनों के जुड़ेंगे, but there will be certain
certain
minimum
minimum
that is 40 marks.
40 marks for general category for both the papers. Paper 1 40 marks and paper 2 also 40.
ओके, तो आई होप मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश का आंसर हमने दे दिया है।
Satish Meena.
नेक्स्ट वन इज
This Satish Meena, he is asking cutoff for the ST categories
ST
for
category.
mechanical. So as mentioned, it will be going around 130 plus minus 5 or 10 you can say. 130 to 140 for to be on the safe side.
जैसा कि सर ने बताया मैकेनिकल का पेपर काफी इजी था, तो
Easy paper है, so
रिगार्डिंग दैट के एससी एसटी कैटेगरी कट ऑफ विल बी अराउंड
130 to
130 to 140। तो आई होप कि सतीश मीना जी का भी हमने आंसर कर दिया होगा। And someone is also asking about the expected cutoff for systems or IT for paper 1 and paper 2। तो इसके बारे में सर कोई
systems and IT के लिए मतलब expected paper 1 and paper 2 different means sectional cutoff will be same as 40 marks for both the cases.
ओके
And overall cutoff if we take into account the paper difficulty and all, so it will be might around 130 or 140.
ओके, तो 130 to 140
140 to 140 vary करेगा उसके लिए.
because student the number of
Number of students appearing are also less as well as the vacancies are also less in that case.
ओके ओके ओके। तो अगेन साई कृष्णा जी पूछ रहे हैं कि एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ फॉर मैकेनिकल। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द मैकेनिकल कट ऑफ, सर ने ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं।
Yes, and also this Abhinash Mahapatra, he is asking 150 plus in mechanical general, any hope? Yep, hope is there, but I will not say that surely, because if we say the cutoff 160 plus, it will go. So it will be better if you don't wait for this cutoff thing and don't indulge in those things. You just prepare for the another exam also.
सर आई थिंक
upcoming
एक
exam.
बार हमें यूजर्स को दोबारा से मैकेनिकली कट ऑफ का आइडिया दे देना चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं।
Yeah, so I will repeating the cutoff for the mechanical. So आप सबको पता है मैकेनिकल वालों को पेपर काफी इजी रहा है. So जनरल की cutoff we can expect around 160 to 170.
ओके
And for OBC it will be 150 to 160. Then after if we come to the SC and ST part, it will be 130 to 140 range.
ओके, तो फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन आप हमारे ब्लॉग पे जाके भी कट ऑफ का एनालिसिस देख सकते हैं। तो आई होप के
I think now
टेक्स्ट बुक सीआईएल ब्लॉग पे आप जाके कट ऑफ्स का एनालिसिस देख सकते हैं। एंड समवन इज आस्किंग अबाउट द सिविल कट ऑफ। तो सिविल में रिगार्डिंग वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेड दैट सिविल में वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अराउंड 140 टू 150 मार्क्स फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट्स, and in that way you can deduct 10 to 15 marks or 20 marks for OBC and like 25-30 marks from the general cutoff for SC/ST category candidates। तो as already told के textbook.com blog पे CIL का textbook blog है, उस पे आप हमारा कट ऑफ एनालिसिस जाके देख सकते हैं।
and this guy Tejas posted 170 OBC. So you haven't mentioned the branch, but if I assume it as mechanical, then definitely you are in and you should prepare for
In
that.
any case like 170
170 and
तो
OBC,
it's a good score bro। Someone is also asking that electrical cutoff for OBC candidates please। तो I guess electrical और mechanical का सर एग्जाम थोड़ा relatively easy था,
हाँ,
and
but
keeping in mind the number of students, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे electrical
so electrical के लिए मैं assume कि 140 around cut off will go for electrical. 140 yeah, 140 plus we can say for the OBC electrical.
Okay, okay। So someone is asking give some info on mining also। तो friend अगर माइनिंग के बारे में इन्फो देने लगे तो मतलब काफी टाइम लग जाएगा, बट वी कैन टेल यू बेसिक थिंग्स के रिगार्डिंग द इंटरव्यू आप अपनी प्रोफाइल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस को तैयार करें, डिस्कस अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स के व्हाट इज योर बैकग्राउंड, वेयर डू यू लिव, व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज, ठीक है। तो आप ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करके खुद से ही डेली थोड़ा सा 10-15 मिनट एनालिसिस करते जाएंगे, तो यू विल गेट एन आइडिया हाउ टू आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस, सो दैट यू वोंट फील के आपके सामने क्वेश्चन थ्रो हो रहे हैं एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू में। एंड रिलेटेड टू माइनिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट कि आप थोड़ा सा माइनिंग रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज के बारे में पढ़ जाएं, जैसे इफ आई अज्यूम योर ब्रांच इज मैकेनिकल, यू हैव नॉट मेंशन योर ब्रांच, तो आप थोड़ा सा देख जाएंगे व्हाट इज द मशीनरी यूज इन द मैकेनिकल। बाकी सर आपको थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से बता पाएंगे मैकेनिकल में। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज सिविल 135 सिविल ओबीसी, इज देयर एनी चांस? तो I would say that like 130, 140 to 140 we are expecting for general category candidates. So 130 plus marks is a good score in OBC category in civil engineering.
And they asked
during interview what type of questions they will ask. We have already mentioned कोई एक type the question was कि any जो भी आप कह रहे हैं कि मतलब what type of questions, the particular type of questions we cannot say, but आप अपना देखिए ना प्रोफाइल बेस क्या है, आपकी ब्रांच टेक्निकल ब्रांच क्या है, आप कहाँ रहते हैं, आपकी क्या हॉबीज हैं, why do you want to work in Coal India Limited, despite knowing कि there are going to be the chances of that you work in mining area also. So in that way you can prepare for this, discuss among your friends so you will get an idea.
And one Rajat Dubey is asking 140 OBC mechanical. So yeah, chances are there, but I will not say definitely. But around chances are there. But I think Rajat, you should more focus as the ISRO exam is coming in next month. So you should also prepare for that also, so that it will not be any that you are waiting for this and finally you are not selected, and this kind of thing should not happen.
हाँ. तो सर मेरा मानना ये है कि अगर हम जैसा ज्यादा इंटरव्यू का लोड लेंगे और इसके हिसाब से देखेंगे कि भाई if someone is not getting selected, तो उसको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, आगे भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं.
In mechanical there are a lot of exams are coming, and main thing is that in the preparation part, basically one thing I would like to mention, that you have to prepare a lot. Means once you get a threshold value is there, up to which you get, means your preparation is up to that mark, then after you can qualify any exam.
Okay, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि Coal India is the only exam. तो guys, it's not about your life. तो इतना.
And for mechanical guys, I will suggest कि अभी today is 30th March, 7th May, as you know there is a ISRO exam, so you should focus on that exam as of now because it is the main exam, and ISRO, you know guys, it's very well.
Okay,
so you should focus on that.
तो रंजन मोहपात्रा जी पूछ रहे हैं सिविल 104 SC, is there any chance? तो I would like to say bro, there are chances. So you keep on preparing for the interview, and as well as you should also see that if there is any another exam coming on, तो आप उसकी प्रिपरेशन भी जारी रखें, क्योंकि because इंटरव्यू कट ऑफ का हम एक थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस दे सकते हैं कि लाइक वेरी करेगा 110 to 120 मार्क्स, तो देयर आर चांसेस, तो you can carry on with that.
And this Mayank Misra is asking 180 general mechanical. Awesome bro, congratulations. Definitely you will get a call for interview, so you should start preparing for that.
Okay, वसीम तारिक जी पूछ रहे हैं 95 इलेक्ट्रिकल हैंडीकैप, तो सर हैंडीकैप कैटेगरी में के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Sir, 95 electrical handicap chances are less because for PH category if you predict around 110 plus marks, so chances are bit less,
बट कॉल आ सकता है क्योंकि बिकॉज हमें एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स का कितना उन्हें एग्जाम दिया है ये अभी ऑफिशियली अनाउंस नहीं है, तो वी वुड लाइक टू से दैट ब्रो कीप द गुड वर्क गोइंग ऑन, बट डोंट पैनिक अगर आपका इंटरव्यू कॉल नहीं आया तो. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज आस्किंग मिथुन, आई हैव स्कोर्ड 105 इन पीआर डिसिप्लिन ओबीसी कैटेगरी, देयर इज समथिंग टू होप फॉर. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू होप फॉर द गुड एंड प्रिपेयर, कैरी ऑन. And
Ranveer Singh is saying hello, so join late. Don't worry bro, initial session you can see later also.
और आप हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक वेबसाइट के सीआईएल के ब्लॉग पे जाकर भी आप कट ऑफ का एनालिसिस देख सकते हैं. एंड समवन इज आल्सो आस्किंग रिगार्डिंग 116 इलेक्ट्रिकल एससी कैटेगरी. यस विकास, यू हैव चांसेस. एंड
now Radhe Krishna is asking 155 mechanical SC category. Definitely you are going to have appear for the interview, so you should focus more on interview as of now. Then after Sushma is asking 157 mechanical general. I will not say definitely, but yeah, chances are there a bit if cut up is means 155 if we go it around, but expected is 160, so yep, hope is there, but I will not say that you will not be, but yeah, definitely hope is there. You should also start focus on
मैकेनिकल में सर हम इसको इससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं, जैसे गेट का एग्जाम हुआ है रिसेंटली, जो हाई कट ऑफ स्कोर गया है बच्चों का, तो अबाउट लाइक 60 मार्क्स पे बच्चों की लाइक आई गेट अराउंड 2000 रैंक आ रही है। तो इस हिसाब से भी अगर हम देखें तो मैकेनिकल में थोड़ा सा कंपटीशन ज्यादा है, तो कट ऑफ हाई जाने का चांसेस,
कट ऑफ हाई जाने चांसेस है। एंड सेकंड थिंग इज पेपर, इफ यू एनालाइज द टेक्निकल पेपर, टेक्निकल सेक्शन इज टू मच इजी, मींस जस्ट दे हैव आस्क्ड टू द पॉइंट क्वेश्चंस एंड नॉट एनी conceptual question and like that. So things are going to be tough for mechanical.
Someone asked about the sales and marketing, तो I would like to say that कि ये जो sales and marketing का openings है, तो regarding the environmental condition, work conditions, तो ये benefit है कि you will be posted in the headquarters and mining areas में आपको कम ही जाना पड़ेगा, तो in terms of work culture, तो you will get a benefit. Someone is asking, will it be beneficial if live like this on ISRO preparation? Yes, we will do that. Very good work, textbook. Thank you so much. 129 General CS. So, regarding this computer science branch,
regarding computer science, I will say for 112, hope is less, but still you can wait for the results.
Okay, तो आप प्रिपरेशन जारी रखें, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो तो सभी के लिए वैलिड है, ऐसा कोई वो इशू नहीं है. What would be the proportion of interview marks in the final merit list? ऐसा कोई official announcement हुआ है?
नहीं, इसमें regarding interview they have only mentioned that they will poll in the ratio of 1:3, means regarding number of vacancies 3 times. Okay. And in the final list proportion they haven't mentioned in the that it will be either 75 25 or 80-20, but generally the proportion is for interviews you can say 1/4 of the that written test marks.
Okay,
so it will be like that. You can
I hope आपका आंसर मिल गया होगा. Someone is asking, roadies type इंटरव्यू नहीं लेंगे, ऐसा ब्रो, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
No bro, it's a government system and you have to expect means
बोर्ड का रोडिंग होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता. रोडिंग वहां पे जाकर खींचेंगे आपको. तो someone is asking 136 mechanical ST.
Yeah,
for more info on the cutoff analysis you can visit our textbook CIL bro.
Tanush Das is asking upcoming mechanical engineering vacancies. So currently if you have applied for ISRO, that's the next exam on 7th of May, and after that as of now there is no notifications, but you should keep on preparing so that when the exam announced you will be at the preparation level that you can clear that exam.
Okay.
Sailesh Kumar is asking mechanical 165 in SC category. Congratulations bro Sailesh, you are definitely going to be in the interview list, so prepare for that.
Okay. And someone is asking about the exams apart from ISRO in mechanical. So
apart from ISRO as of now, means notifications are not there, but some notifications are expected. Means someone is expecting SAIL or someone is expecting that railway also in SSC exam.
Okay, that is.
But till the official notification don't came, we can't say. Yeah, but I will suggest you to keep preparing so that you will not be and like that when the exam announced, then you will prepare for that 2 month and all. Okay, you should be working on your preparation part. And yeah, one thing we would like to go that for these cutoff kind of things, you can refer to textbook blog. There are a lot of stuff is there. And for the Tarun Pandey, he is asking for cutoff mechanical general. So guys, go to textbook blog. We have mentioned the cutoff category wise there. You can go there.
Someone is asking about the environmental cutoff. I got 141. Yes. So environmental is like 141 is a good score in environmental engineering. And I would like to mention one more thing for environmental guys, that because Coal India is now generating electricity from the coal, so there are a lot of environmental issues related to that. So be prepared for the interview on clean and green energy.
Ankit Kaushik is asking, I have raised 2-3 queries regarding the answer key. What are the chances it could be considered, and how would it be whether or not that has been considered or not? Ankit, if they consider your query, then definitely for all of the guys, this is the thing that they will update, means they will publish a revised answer key for that. Because for the transparent side and to be fair selection, they have to publish for that. So wait for that, and if you have any doubt, then keep raising the query so that they can consider that.
I got one another interesting question like working environment at Coal India Limited. तो इसमें आप सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So working environment, it entirely depends on where you are getting posted, because in Coal India there are around 82 sites, as well as then after there are headquarters and all.
Okay.
So suppose if you are lucky enough, then you and got posted at headquarters, it will be in Kolkata, so it will be awesome life. After that, and in the coal fields there are various departments, whether you are in underground coal field or regarding or on the means ground level. So depending on your position,
तो ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक इसमें काफी हो जाता है, जैसे सेल्स, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, ये सब
accounting and all other days you
will
may
be posted at headquarters
only.
And the guys to the technical background like mechanical, civil, mining, environmental engineering also, so they will get initial posting to the coal fields also. So that's also an adventure to some guys. So hope for the best.
Isaac Hajo is saying share a cutoff link please. Guys, you already it is shared in the upside section. You can go or you can visit the textbook blog. We have posted the link there.
You can search the textbook blog regarding CIL.
And Sasank Vikram Singh 158 in Mac General. Guys, go to textbook blog. We have posted the cutoff criteria.
Someone is asking about what are the things to be concentrated for an interview. Interview, we have already talked about it, that there will be some generic questions based which are applicable to all of the candidates, and there will be some specific questions related to the technical background of the candidate. So if you are from core engineering branches, then they can mug up you from the basic subjects and concept. तो आपको वो मिस नहीं करना है. And there is some general profile based questions related to your education background and place of education. तो उससे रिगार्डिंग आपको अपने प्रिपरेशन में sort out करना है.
And Krishna Chandra is asking test series for ISRO. Guys, we have not providing test series for ISRO as of now, but we will suggest that ISRO 2006 to 2016. There are 11 years papers available previous year, so kindly practice them as much as you can, because it will be very beneficial for the ISRO exam. So Kshitija is asking, sir, will there be a lot of field work involved? Coal India for a MT. It entirely depends where you are going to post it. If you are in the coal field site, then for the management training for first year, that definitely there will not be too much work, because you have to learn the things and you have to cope up with the culture there. But yeah, for the ground field, you can expect a kind of work there.
Okay. So Nitesh Kumar ji पूछ रहे हैं cut off for civil. We have already talked about it, but let's have another look into it. कि civil के लिए general category cut off we are expecting around 140 to 150 marks, and relatively 10 to 15 marks lower for OBC category, and 25 to 30 marks like for SC/ST category, less than the general cut off, which is 140 to 150 marks. Hope we have answered your cut off analysis.
Mohit Sharma regarding cutoff 163 general mechanical. Yep, Mohit, chances are there. Too much chances are there. You should apart from the interview preparation of the CIL, you should also focus on ISRO
and other exams also.
Yeah.
So someone is also asking about please guide about the interview weightage and question. So sir, is there any official notification regarding what will the percentage of interview weightage?
No. Percentage of interview is not mentioned there, that in written and interview marks how they will divide.
Okay.
But yeah, definitely you can assume at 25% as the interview marks and 75 as the written test marks in the final merit list.
Highly competitive nature of exams को देखते हुए, I think interview has become very important as of now for the last 10 to 15 years. So I guess के interview काफी please don't take it lightly. Prepare hard for this.
Mohit, Subra, these are asking about the cutoffs. Guys, go to textbook blog. We have already posted the link in the upside section, as well as you can go to textbook blog directly and you can check the cutoff for various categories there.
Alok Kumar is asking, sir, I have score of 23 ST category. Is there any chance?
Alok, we don't know whether you are from which stream actually.
So Alok Kumar is from civil engineering. So obviously, like for general category, we are expecting around 140 marks. So like 30 marks, 110 marks for SC/ST category. So you have a very fair chance to get selected. Gaurav Pandey is again asking general cutoff marks, which is I have already mentioned 140 to 150 marks for the civil category civil engineering candidates. OBC civil. So Sumit Gupta ji OBC पूछ रहे हैं तो 140 to 150 is general and 10 to 20 marks less for OBC category candidates. Like you can expect around 120 to 130 for the OBC category candidates.
Gyan Prakash is saying thank you for your guidance. Thank you guys. And 158 Mac in general, any chance? Yeah, chances are a bit less, but yep, you still have some chance. I will not say that don't lose any hope. Wait for the final cutoff.
158 is a good score, I guess. You should wait for interview and should prepare for it. Again, Karthik Jain is asking about 157 Finance General. So Karthik Jain, thumbs up for you. You will surely get an interview call. And
then after one question,
Midhun is asking PR category 105. Any chances? Midhun, what is your branch? Please display.
PR
public relations.
Yep, chances are there, bro. But yep,
you should prepare for it.
You should prepare.
Final merit list will be based on return and interview. Yes, obviously, because nowadays interview has become like game changer for these exams. Seeing the high number of candidates, so obviously the final merit list will be based on both the scores.
Then after Anurag Raj, I am getting 145 general mechanical. Chances are there, bro, but some I will say that some chances are a bit less, but still you should keep preparing for the interview code.
So please don't waste your time. Like I will get selected or not. Please keep up the good going.
Gaurav Pandey is asking expected result date. Bro, it will at least take around means at least if they keep it on a fast track, then minimum 25 days it will go, because till 2nd of April you are submit the queries. Then after they will look into the queries, then they will publish the final answer keys. So it will means take around at least 1 month. You can by the end of April you can expect the results if they keep it on a fast track, because as they are doing.
Okay.
So Praveen Das is asking CILS salary. So coming to the salary point, you will be absorbed in the E2 grade for the first year in the management training, and there, as they have mentioned in the advertisement, also 20,600 as the basic you will get. And so if gross salary we talk about for first year, it will be around 60,000, and after that you will be 1 year of completion, then you will be promoted to E3 grade and you will be getting 75 like that as a gross salary per year. But keep in mind that there is a 5 years bond also, in which 5,000 per month will be deduced from your salary. So for 5 years. So if you leave the Coal India before 5 years, then you have to give the 3 lakh as a bond amount to the company.
Okay, so regarding the bond, ये चीज काफी important है students is.
So Kshitij already asked. I think I have already that.
What is the bond duration? Bond duration, Kshitij, is
16 months. It's 5 years, and bond amount is 3 lakhs.
Okay. So I hope we have answered your query. How to prepare for interview and what is the safe score in mechanical? Please answer.
So in the interview part, we have already covered in the previous earlier also.
Interview के regarding में हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि guys please stay tuned. So we will explain the interview strategy of all branches. So in the last 15 minutes of the video, we will explain the interview strategy or comprehensive. So stay tuned for that.
And yeah, interview strategy will also be posted on our blog. So keep visiting the blog. It will be very beneficial for you guys. We will be keeping you updated for all the upcoming information, whether the answer key regarding result, everything we will keep you posted. So keep visiting our blog.
Okay. So Anurag Rai is asking about the sir, please post solution to the ambiguous solution so that we can challenge. Yes, Anurag, we are working on that, and once we get the questions from all the branches, so we'll try to get the authentic solutions and we can challenge the keys.
Tejas is asking safe score in mechanical general. I will say safe, to be on completely safe side, it should be around 170. And if you are having 160 plus also, then you should prepare for the interviews.
Okay. So
Sabish is asking 138 Mac OBC. Yep, bro, chances are there, and you should start preparing.
Again, Rajesh Kumar is asking about the civil cutoff. It will be around 140 to 150 for general category candidates, and consequently you can deduct the marks like 10 to 20 marks for OBC category, and 25 to 30 marks for SCST.
168 general mechanical, Raj Mohan. Yeah, bro, chances are there. Yeah, almost you should start preparing for the interview.
So Rajmohan, Nitesh Kumar is asking, does CII take exam every year? तो सर इसमें आप कुछ
No, bro,
बताना चाहेंगे?
CIL doesn't take exam every year. In fact, these vacancies are after around 4-5 years of gap.
Okay.
And you know that there are huge, around 1300 vacancies they are filling as of now.
Okay.
So it will not be means not expected that CIL will be recruiting next year also.
Okay.
Yeah, but there are another PSUs also. Regarding if you compare means you want to work like in CIL like PSU, then CIL is one which is expected either this year and next year definitely. Then after there is a Vizag Steel also, which is same kind of PSUs as Coal India. So don't just focus. I will say that don't focus on that CIL. Just keep preparing for the various PSU. There are a lot of exams that are being conducted every year.
Yeah. Okay. So in short, के और PSUs भी हैं, तो we can also prepare for that. Someone is asking for the time for the final result. We have already
covered that. Wait till April end, and after that maybe in the May also it will go, because they are having the queries now. They will consider that, and so it will take a time. Around 1 month it will go.
So we also got another interesting question. If join as CIL, can we also give IES or IAS exam? So that is quite interesting. So sir, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे regarding the preparation?
Preparation, yep, you can do, but I will also say that it will depend on where you are posted.
Okay.
Because whether you are getting time and resources. Only time is not the thing. You have to get the resources also. So if you are in underground field minings, then chances will be less, because some kind of hard stuff what you are going there. But if you are in a suppose above ground or also in the headquarter area, then yep, your chances are there. And people, if you search the websites also, people are there who working in Coal India and have qualified engineering services as well.
Okay.
So there are some people.
So it depends upon your hard work and determination, but also it will also depend, I think, on the if there is 5-day working or 6-day working. So if, like people posted in the headquarters will get 5-day working, so they can have a fair chance of this preparation. Saika पूछ रहे हैं 163 general mechanical. What are the chances?
Saika, chances are there. Yeah, you should start preparing for the mechanical interview.
All the best, bro. Rajesh Kumar is asking, I am getting 110 marks in civil. Any chances? So Rajesh, we don't know your category, but if I assume that if it is general category, so I guess the cutoff will be around 140 to 150 marks, going to the high competition.
Sunil Reddy is asking, sir, I am getting 112 in CS general. Are there any chances for me? Sunil, chances are there, but a bit on lower side.
So we are expecting around like 120 to 130 for CS. So you should always prepare for that also. Rakin Sharma, so getting 116 electrical engineering. Any chances?
Raktim, chances are, I will say, very low for you as of electrical cutoff, because electrical paper is cutoff is also expected to be higher side, means 150 plus, if you can say. So I would say that keep preparing and better luck for next time.
Someone is asking 145 in general civil. So yes, civil cutoff is expected around 140 to 150 marks. So you also have a fair chance to be selected for the interview. Keep preparing. All the best. Arin Panja, 158 electrical engineering general. Any chance? Obviously, electrical engineering around like above 150 is a good score. So prepare hard for interview.
Then John is asking, how is the workplace environment at Coal India? There are some poor reviews on Glassdoor regarding job location, workplace hazards. How factual are these reviews? Don't believe all the rumors that are been on the various websites. Yeah, but if we compare the job profile or work environment from other jobs, then it will be on a means
थोड़ा सा problem है regarding the field job. जैसे if a student is from a technical background, so I think civil, mechanical, environmental engineering, mining guys, they have to work on the field. But जैसे कहते हैं ना, with power comes the responsibility. तो उस हिसाब से आपको perks and downs भी मिलते हैं. ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. तो it all depends on your personal choice कि you want to work on in the core areas, and if you love adventure, then it will be beneficial for you.
Nitesh Kumar is saying organize a discussion on cutoff for MTech admission in IITs and NITs. Nitesh, firstly, mostly IITs deadlines are approaching, so apply for that if you are. I don't know about your rank in the gate, so apply for all the IITs which you are in the middle, because various sources are there in which cutoffs are, and IIT officially publish their cutoffs. And regarding the NITs, go to the CCMT website for the and check their last year 2016 cutoff.
Okay.
They have given the whole data in the sheet that at what is the opening rank and what is the closing rank of various NITs, and also the central universities and triple ITs.
Okay.
So follow the CCMT website.
CCMT website is key for it. Siddharth Bhatt is asking 138 for financial accounts. Yes, Siddharth, you have fair chances for the interview, so prepare for that.
Manjeet is asking, I am getting 135 in mechanical. Manjeet, I think you are on general category, so it will be a bit on difficult side that you might not get the call, but still hope for the best.
Lakshman Prasad, 120 in civil engineering, do SC category. Yes, Lakshman Prasad, you have fair chance to get selected for the interview. In SC category, we are hoping to be around like 100 to 120 marks. So, Vivek is asking, some students are saying that there can be possibility that CIL people will get some mark as of cutoff, and then all category people above that mark, instead of calling people in the ratio of 3:1 or 5:1 according to the number of vacancies. Can it be possible? Dekho Vivek, there is no official notification about it. If there is anything about regarding to that, so keep checking on the official website. If there isn't any official declaration about that, so please don't
believe on the rumors that have been spread on various websites. Keep follow the official website so that you can get the official information. If there is any update that will come in this regard, we will definitely post it on our blog also. Okay. So you can keep following our blog, and that will be good for you.
163 mechanical OBC. Yes.
Yeah, Aman, yeah, definitely you will be get into the poll. So start preparing for that
interview. So someone is asking about cutoff for the electronics and communication engineering. So that will also be around like as we talked about the civil engineering, na? So it will be around 140 to 150 marks for electronics.
Yep, EC cutoff will be on a bit higher side. As you can see that in the EC number of students are more, but vacancies are very few. So it will be on definitely it will be on a higher side also.
Any idea about the number of candidates applied for the finance? Karthik, we don't have any idea because Coal India hasn't given any notification regarding the official number of candidates. So please keep checking for the website for the official notification if there is any. Any idea about the cutoff for marketing and sales? So it will be around like, just we have analyzed that it will be around like 120 to 130 for the marketing and sales. So you have a fair chance. So guys, we are having like 15 minutes remaining. So we talked about the interview preparation tips. So sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव और टेक्निकल पर्सपेक्टिव से कि how should they go about the interview?
Interview के लिए I would say start focusing means on the conceptual questions. Okay. Because they are not going to solve. You are not going to solve any numerical there or like that. Okay. They will ask very basic questions, conceptual questions, various and things you should work regarding the thing which are related to mining area. Means if you are a mechanical guy, then in the production there are various machines and various tools which are used in mining industry also. Okay. So read a lot about those, because that will be going to a few questions you can expect from that area. Okay. And apart from that, in the as Coal India is coal is basically used for power generation and all. Mm-hmm. So in the power plant engineering, read about the power plant strategy, or means various cycles and all. That's a very basic question that is going to ask in every interview also. Okay. And apart from that, prepare 2-3 subjects in deep, so that if they ask you that what are your favorite subject, and if you quote them, and you should be in a position that you should not be in even a single question from those subjects. Okay. It will create a great impact on them.
So you are trying to say that don't try to lose the low hanging fruits. Okay, जो basic questions हैं, conceptual basic questions हैं, तो उनको ना आप miss करें. Yeah. So that will be beneficial. If there is any difficult question, then you can straight away say no.
And
But
yes,
don't-
and in the mechanical, I would like to add there are various measuring tools which we often ignore. And in the this part, they are going to ask these type of questions. Whether if they will give that if you having a diameter of this and how will you measure this, what are the use of screw gauge, micrometer, vernier caliper. These kind of basic stuff is there, which every time least count related questions they are every year they are going ask, and
They are
so you should
very
prepare about it.
minute information related question, but they are very basic,
Basic.
and every student should know them. Okay. And regarding the civil technical part, I would like to say that again, जैसे विष्णु जी ने बोला कि focus on your basics and concepts. So I would like to say that there are some basic subjects like strength of materials, soil mechanics, fluid mechanics, environmental engineering. So try to read about the basic RCC design and steel design. तो basic ऊपर का cover करके जाइए. And if there is any difficult question, then you can skip that. But be confident while answering. Please don't lie to the interview board. And most important, related to environmental engineering, like there is a focus on this clean energy agenda, and there are various international organizations also being discussing about the green energy. So you should also focus on those areas regarding. You should read daily newspapers, and if there is any news regarding any pollution or any critical activities which are endangering our environment, so please keep a check on them, and try to read about the various types of pollutions which is being created, like air pollution, basic, and water pollution, then the hazards related to the coal mining. तो आप उसमें भी थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाके देख सकते हैं. That will be an edge for you. And most importantly, the profile based questions, discuss among your friends whatever you have studied, where do you live. So there are some basic questions related, so discuss it among your friends. You will get a fair idea about how they are going to approach your interview. So in that way you can have a fair idea about that ke, interview has to be prepared in that way.
And yep, Vivek Kumar is asking that will there be any technical interview only or followed by GD and HR? Vivek, there will be only one interview in which it will be mixed up of HR interview and technical part, you can say, because वो लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप मतलब वहां पर रुक के काम कर पाओगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि सबको पता है कोल इंडिया फेमस है इस चीज के लिए. सो बस उनको इस चीज का मतलब आपको दिखाना है कि that you are dedicated towards Coal India and you will be working in there. It's not like that after 1 year or 2 years you will lose hope and you will be going out and these kind of things. Yeah, one more point I would like to add that start a bit about these management skills also, like project management, various techniques used in this, because your part will be less on technical side and more on managerial side. As the post name also suggests that management trainee, and after the promotion you will be posted as assistant manager. So read about a bit of management things like economics and the management, basic management we used to all study in in undergrads also.
Okay.
So project management, scheduling, what are the things which are required for a manager. So read about those things also.
So someone is asking about the weightage of written. So there is no official declaration about the weightage of written and interview. So we don't have the exact idea about that. But yes, interview is gonna play the most important part here, because seeing the number of candidates, like they are claiming to be that 3:1 ratio is being called for the interview. So prepare hard for it and do your best. Divyanshu is saying very good initiative. Thank you so much, Divyanshu. Ravi Kumar is asking that 134 ST civil engineering, any chances? Again, we have said that civil engineering 120 to 130 is the expected cutoff for SC/ST category. So you have fair chances of getting a call for the interview. Prepare hard. Again, someone was asking about the previous year cutoff, 2011 cutoff of CILC. तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इतना previous year cutoff analysis से कोई benefit होने नहीं वाला है, because the scenario of the exams has changed and people are now really preparing hard. तो number of candidates भी बढ़ गए हैं, तो उससे कुछ ज़्यादा benefit होने नहीं वाला है,
क्योंकि anyway the cutoff from the previous year, as you are mentioning, in 2011, so recruitment completed in 2012, that is being around 6 years back. So उस टाइम से और अब टाइम में कैंडिडेट नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स बढ़ गए हैं. पीपल मतलब पीएसयू के लिए क्रेज लोगों का इस टाइम बढ़ा है आफ्टर द ऑल ऑफ द पीएसयू, बिकॉज़ दे आर ऑफरिंग वेरी गुड सैलरी एज अ फ्रेशर.
So जॉब सिक्योरिटी पर्सपेक्टिव से भी देखें तो
तो इसलिए पिछले साल की का जितना वो टेंशन मत लो, सीधा बात है कि अभी फिलहाल जो है उस पर फोकस करो. इफ यू आर नॉट इन अ पोजीशन दैट यू आर क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ, देन कीप प्रिपेयरिंग गाइस, देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट टू दैट.
Saket is asking about I'm a bank PO is a PSB. So he's probably asking about if is a bank PO is PSU. What will I reply if they ask why you want to leave your bank job? तो संकेत मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आप ये बात इसका जवाब आप खुद से सोचिए. इफ यू वांट टू बी इन CIL तो यू आर गोइंग टू सेल देम इन द इंटरव्यू. So there has to be some pros con analysis based on your job profile, what you are getting there and what will you get in the CIL. So based on that, you can answer the question relatively. It will be easy for you. तो आप थोड़ा सा pros con analysis कीजिए आपकी current job का और जो CIL का nature of job है उसके regarding.
And also you are working professional, so compare both the salaries and perks, pays and perks also, because it will be, you are just for fresher, don't compare the things, but as you are working, so you should compare these things.
Someone is asking, dear sir, I am getting 150 in mechanical general. Should I start prepare?
Yeah, Panil, you should keep preparing for the interview and start focusing on your conceptual part, because if you don't get, suppose in this exam you don't get, then it will be help you in future also.
ओके तो ऐसा नहीं है कि CIL के लिए ही पढ़ना है और किसी और एग्जाम को टारगेट नहीं करना है. तो कीप प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंटरव्यू आल्सो, कीप प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर एग्जाम्स, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू.
And yeah, same is apply for Sushma and Pushpa also, that keep preparing for the interview. Chances are there that you might get called. Mustaq is asking the minimum qualifying marks are 40% from each paper. Do they will select everyone above this criteria? No, Mustaq. Minimum qualifying is that you have to secure at least this amount of marks, and that doesn't signify, it means it's not compulsory that if you are having 40 and 40, then total 80 and you will get a call. No, they have also mentioned that they will shortlist in the ratio of 1:3. So suppose in mechanical there are 200 seats, so they will shortlisting around 600 students. If you are in top 600, then you are in. That is only minimum. That doesn't have anything about regarding for the cutoff.
And कार्तिक जैन इज आस्किंग इंटरव्यू टिप्स फॉर फाइनेंस. तो कार्तिक यही कहना चाहेंगे कि बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रोफाइल आप डेली एनालिसिस कीजिए कि व्हाट आर द एरियाज और व्हाट आर द ग्रे एरियाज फ्रॉम व्हिच दे कैन आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस. तो you will get a set of questions related to your profile and from the technical background. So discuss it among your friends, and you should also know the basics of your studies, that is finance. So you will get a fair idea.
Yeah, Sushma is asking expected exam after ISRO for mechanical. Sushma, ISRO के बाद अभी तक कोई official notification नहीं है, but still various you should keep preparing, because technical part static है. So it will be beneficial if any exam announced, because exam announce होने में और पेपर होने में 2 महीने का भी टाइम नहीं होता. So keep your preparation up to threshold level, so that if any exam is announced, you will be able to crack it.
Okay, so someone is asking about the upcoming exam for civil engineering. So there are like many exams. RRB is going to notify this, and there are also PSU exam like SAIL or any other, but ISRO is not having a lot of vacancies in civil. So इसमें थोड़ा lag कर गया.
John is saying I have a 2 years academic gap before my engineering, but their grades are high, so that might be a problem.
John, मैं ये समझता हूँ कि इसमें आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि there is a 2-year academic gap. If you are able to justify your gap, so then it won't be a problem for you. So in that way, you should prepare accordingly. That what was the actual reason behind that, and board is very cordial. तो आपकी बातें सुनी जाएंगी, ऐसा नहीं है.
Aman Singh is saying how many subjects should I focus for interview? Aman, as I mentioned, 3-4 सब्जेक्ट इतने डीप में, मतलब अच्छे से पढ़ के जाओ कि उसके बारे में कुछ भी कहीं से भी पूछा जाए, you will be able to answer, and don't leave all other subject also. Means read a bit about them, so that if some basic questions are asked from those, you will be able to answer.
Okay. So someone is asking, getting 148, what are the chances? Getting 148 in what branch, bro? Someone is asking 100 marks in SC electrical, can I expect interview call?
Harshpati, you can expect a call, but chances are on a lower side, because electrical paper is easy and cutoff will be higher side. And someone is Karthik Jain is whether finance trainee posted in coal fields. Chances are very low. Probably you will be posted in the headquarters as well as the various finance quarter only, not in the coal field house. Chances are very less that you will be posted.
Initially, during a probation period, they can get you for a visit in the coal fields to get an idea how is the work related profile of other technical people in the Coal India Limited. So in that way, you can get a visit once or twice a year. So you can expect that. Pratibha is asking 135 in finance. What are the chances? I would say Pratibha, you have fair chances to get an interview call. Start preparing. All the best. When CL is going to announce result?
Uh, Result will be wait for at least 1 month, bro, because either April end or May they will announce if there is whole thing goes smoothly and they are on fast track. Because anyhow they will definitely join you before July. Chances are fair enough at this time. Susma is saying from mechanical general vacancies are just around 13. How much can one rely on that exam as no other exams as of now and getting 157 in mechanical? Susma, I will say don't lose hope because mechanical is vacancies are general 13. You need only one. So give your best and hope for the best.
All the best. Mustaq Mir. 108 ST category in civil engineering. Any chances? Obviously, Mustaq, you are near to cut off. We have an analysis that 120 to 110 to 120 would be category cutoff for SC and ST. So prepare for the interview. Someone is asking 141 score in Triple E Shift 1. So Triple E regarding if I assume your category is general, so chances are a bit low. But if you have like OBC or SC ST category, then you have a fair chance.
Vivek is saying 162 OBC mechanical. Yep, bro, chances are there. Keep preparing for the interview. You definitely will get a call.
So someone is asking PR discipline OBC category 110 marks. Any chances? तो सर PR discipline के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? OBC 110 marks. I think that it's a good score.
Yep.
Because related to that PR, the number of candidates would be very less as compared to the core branches. So you can expect an interview call and start preparing for interview. And I would say that it won't take much time. Like if you are preparing 15 to 20 minutes for your interview, na, so that would be beneficial. That won't be a problem for you guys. Don't think about the marks. Don't take it too seriously that I am going to get call or not. But just prepare. It will help you in further exams also.
And various questions. Swagat is asking regarding cutoff mechanical. Yeah, yep, Swagat. For the cutoff, guys, I'm again repeating. If we have posted the cutoff on our blog, so keep visiting the blog, and it will be you will get the answer there. And if there is anything else, you can also post your comments there, and we will get you the reply there.
So, guys, after 1 minute, we have to end this session as of now. So, after the video ends, so we will post a blog regarding the cutoff analysis and the queries to your answers. So, keep checking on the blog and comment on the section below, and you will get the answer as soon as possible. So, thanks for the interview. Thanks for the joining us, and all the best for your interview. So we will also, if there is any update regarding the CIL, so we will keep updating about it. Thank you guys.